The Bieszczady Mountains belong to the northeastern Carpathians, formed of flysch, their high summits of hard sandstone, and they are usually divided into two mountain groups, the Western and the Eastern Bieszczady. Most of the main ridge of the Western Bieszczady constitutes the border between Slovakia and Poland. Its easternmost bit forms the Poland-Ukraine border, then ends just beyond it at the pass of Uzhok on the territory of Ukraine, where the Eastern Bieszczady begin. In Ukraine, the name Bieszczady is usually replaced with Schidny Beskidi. Their main ridge is part of the water divide between the drainages of the Baltic and Black Seas, which is reflected by its Ukrainian name, Vododilny Khrebet. Europe's largest area of montane beech forest is found in the Western Bieszczady, where the borders of the Slovak Republic, Poland, and Ukraine meet. The most common type of vegetation are beech forests. Special circumstances have made it possible for extensive remnants of virgin forests to persist in this transboundary area until today. The first forest reserve, called Stužica, was established in 1908. In 2007, this virgin forest with another well-preserved forest reserves like Havešova and Rozhok were inscribed to the UNESCO's World Heritage List as primeval beech forests of the Carpathians. In the Bieszczady, the timberline is formed of beech and runs strikingly low, often below 1,200 meters, which is due to a few centuries of grazing, which in the Western Bieszczady ended in the middle of the 20th century. The high mountain pasture in the Bieszczady and elsewhere in the northeastern Carpathians is known as Polonina. Western Bieszczady rank among the wildest corners of Europe and can be considered as a true wildlife hotspot. There is hardly any comparable place in continental Europe where you can encounter the complete spectrum of ungulates, like the wisent or European bison, elk, red deer, wild boar, and roe deer, as well as predators like brown bear, wolf, lynx, wildcat, and fox. Another distinctive feature of the area may be that there is no other place in Europe where nature has replaced human management. Most of the area of the Western Bieszczady lies in Poland. The same goes for the high summit of the Western Bieszczady, Tarnica, at 1,346 meters. The mountains extend between Lubkov Pass in the west and Ush Pass in the east. They are bounded on the west by the Oslava and Laborec rivers, and on the south by the uppermost course of the Ush River. Their northeastern boundary generally runs several kilometers northeast of the upper San River. There are several mountain ridges in the Polish part of the Western Bieszczady. The main ridge, both an international border and a water divide, whose high summit is named Wielka Rawka. Wysoki Dzial Ridge in the west, east of the Oslava River, with Bolosan being the high summit. Due to few human visitors and vast forests, there is a good chance of seeing the big Carpathian mammals, such as the bear and the wisent. Lopieni Group extends east of the ridge of Wysoki Dział. But the most important is the ridge of the Poloninas, on which the high summit of the Western Bieszczady stand. Another important Poloninas are Polonina Wetlinska, Polonina Czarynska, Szeroki Wierch, Bukowe Berdo, Krzemień, Halicz, and Rosypaniec.